Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you an amazing story called Dad's Birthday and Other Stories.
The Biff, Chip and Kipper books are really nice to read, but for today I thought one would be enough to read, which is Dad's Birthday. So inside Dad's Birthday, it actually has Floppy did this.
So let's start reading it. Chip did this. It is Biff. Biff did this. It is Kipper. Kipper did this. It is Mum. Oh no! Floppy did this. Now we're gonna talk about the story. Who drew a picture of Kipper? I can't remember. Can you? Okay, why are they all clapping Floppy? I'll tell you. Because he drew a nice picture. Which picture do you like the best? To tell you, I like Kipper the best. Okay, and it says, who have you drawn a picture of? So I do remember drawing a picture of my family. And this is the end of the story. See you. Bye-bye for now.